9804. The crew monitoring function is essential. A. Particularly during high-altitude cruise flight modes to prevent CFIT issues. B. Particularly during approach and landing to prevent CFIT. C. During RNAV departures in Class B airspace. The correct answer is B. CFIT refers to accidents where an aircraft unintentionally flies into the ground or an obstacle despite having control of the aircraft. During approach and landing, there is a higher risk of CFIT due to various factors such as reduced visibility, proximity to the ground, and increased workload. The crew monitoring function plays a crucial role in maintaining situational awareness, monitoring the aircraft's flight path, and cross-checking the actions of the pilot flying, PF, to prevent CFIT accidents. By actively monitoring the aircraft's position, altitude, and adherence to approach procedures, the monitoring pilot, PM, can provide an additional layer of safety and intervene if necessary to avoid terrain-related accidents. 9804-1. In order to achieve the highest level of safety, A. Each flight crew member must carefully monitor the aircraft's flight path. B. The crew members must continually monitor their seat-dependent tasks. C. The captain's judgment must not be questioned. The correct answer is A. Achieving the highest level of safety in aviation requires a shared responsibility among all flight crew members. Each crew member, including the pilots and other relevant personnel, must actively and continuously monitor the aircraft's flight path, systems, and performance. This includes maintaining situational awareness, cross-checking instruments and flight data, and being vigilant for any deviations, abnormalities, or potential hazards. By actively monitoring the aircraft's flight path, all crew members contribute to identifying and mitigating risks, making timely decisions, and ensuring safe operations throughout the flight. Collaboration and effective communication among the crew are essential for maintaining a high level of safety. 9805-8. In a multi-crew environment, who is responsible for the tone, pace, and outcome of decisions made, and will be held accountable for all outcomes in air carrier of flights? A. First officer. B. Air carrier. C. Captain. The correct answer is C. The captain, as the designated pilot in command, PIC, of the aircraft, holds the ultimate responsibility for the safe and efficient operation of the flight. The captain is responsible for making final decisions, setting the tone and pace of decision-making, and ensuring that all decisions align with established procedures, regulations, and safety protocols. The captain's authority and accountability extend to all aspects of the flight, including crew performance, adherence to regulations, and the overall outcome of the flight. While the first officer and other crew members play important roles in the decision-making process, the ultimate responsibility and accountability rest with the captain. 9805. CRM training refers to A. The two components of flight safety and resource management, combined with mentor feedback. B. The three components of initial indoctrination awareness, recurrent practice and feedback, and continual reinforcement. C. The five components of initial indoctrination awareness, communication principles, recurrent practice and feedback, coordination drills, and continual reinforcement. The correct answer is B. Effective crew resource management, CRM, training must include initial indoctrination, repeated practice, and feedback, as well as ongoing reinforcement. 9805-1. CRM error management includes A. Effective use of all available resources, human resources, hardware, and information. B. Error call-out and error guidance training. C. Error prevention, error detection, and recovery from the error. The correct answer is C. CRM, crew resource management. Error management involves a systematic approach to managing errors and mitigating their potential consequences within a flight crew. It encompasses three main components. Error prevention. This component focuses on identifying potential errors and taking proactive measures to prevent them from occurring. It involves strategies such as thorough pre-flight planning, adherence to standard operating procedures, SOPs, effective communication, and situational awareness to minimize the likelihood of errors. Error detection. In this component, the flight crew is trained to recognize and detect errors that may have occurred or are in the process of occurring. It involves maintaining a vigilant mindset, conducting regular cross-checks, and utilizing available tools and resources, such as checklists, instruments, and technology, to identify deviations from the intended plan or normal operations. Recovery from the error. If an error is detected, the flight crew is trained to promptly and effectively respond to mitigate its consequences. This includes taking corrective actions, communicating the situation to all relevant crew members, reassessing the situation, and implementing alternative strategies to ensure the safe continuation of the flight. By incorporating error prevention, detection, and recovery strategies into CRM practices, flight crews can proactively manage potential errors, minimize their impact on flight safety, and maintain effective teamwork and communication during challenging situations.